Hi, I am Lorena. I'm an independent travel advisor, affiliate to Prime Tour, a Brazilian luxury tour operator, a Virtuoso member. And today I'm here to bring to you another Brazilian diamond, Cristalino Lodge, situated inside Cristalino National Park. It's the type of the trip that you must take a consultancy service in order to make sure that everything is organized, all information that you need to have the best of your trip. And this is why I'm here for, to offer to you the best. Cristalino Lodge, it's very private. It has only 18 rooms, all inclusive. All daily activities are only for its guests, as it's the only lodge inside the national park. No TV, but birds, butterflies, mammals, fishes. You go swimming and you have daily and night boats. And we have very special benefits for you that would like to come and see this special piece of the Amazon. Bye bye. Thank you.